In this section, we will understand account categories. The software is shipped with a set of standard account categories, so you can start using the system immediately. If you want to add a new account category, click on the Add Category button. The software will open the Add Category form. Now enter the category name. Next, select the appropriate head group. After that, choose the category type. The software supports multiple category types such as share, debenture, mutual fund, fixed deposit, bank, cash, and general. Select the category type that best matches your account. Once all details are entered, save the category, and it will appear in the category list. If you want to edit or delete an existing category, click the Edit button from the category list. Please note, the software will not allow deletion of a category if any account is already defined under that category. This ensures that your data remains safe and consistent. Accounts. The software is shipped with default accounts required for personal accounting, so you can start using the system immediately. If you want to add a new account, click on the Add Account button. The software will open the new account form. First, select the account type, then enter the account name. If required, you can also enter the opening balance. Now let us see how to add a share account. When adding a share account, we recommend clicking on Script Master and selecting the required script from the list. We have already uploaded share scripts from the stock exchange along with their ISIN and exchange code. The software requires this information to automatically update the latest market rate from the exchange. To edit or delete an account, click on the Edit Account button from the account list. You can then modify the required details. Please note that the software will only allow deletion of accounts that do not have any transactions recorded. This ensures that your financial data remains accurate and secure. Demat account. For recording any share or debenture transaction, you must first create a demat account in the software. To create a demat account, go to the Master menu and click on Demat Account. Then click on Add Demat Account. The software will open the demat account form. Enter the demat account number. Next, select the associated share broker. If the broker is not available in the list, click on the Add Broker button. Enter the broker name and configure the brokerage charges for different types of transactions. Once the details are entered, click Save. You can create multiple demat accounts in the software if you maintain investments with more than one broker. This allows you to track transactions and holdings separately for each demat account. Mutual Fund Folio. To record mutual fund transactions, the software requires a mutual fund folio number and the mutual fund scheme in which you have made the investment. Before entering any transaction, you must first create a mutual fund folio. To create a mutual fund folio, go to the Master menu and select Mutual Fund. To add a new folio, click on the Add Mutual Fund Folio button. The software will open the mutual fund folio form. Enter the required details such as mutual fund company name, account linked with the investment, bank account associated with the folio. After entering the details, save the folio. Adding mutual fund schemes. Once the folio is created, you can add mutual fund schemes under that folio. To add a scheme, click on the plus button from the folio list. The software will open the Add Scheme form. Enter the scheme name. The software already contains a complete list of mutual fund schemes uploaded from the exchange. Simply select the scheme from the list. When you select the scheme, the software will automatically fetch the ISIN number and the scheme code. This information is required for the software to automatically update the latest NAV of the mutual fund. Once saved, the scheme will be available for recording mutual fund transactions. Opening balance entry. To add the opening balance of accounts, click on Opening Entries from the Master menu. Select the category from the list. The software will display all accounts under the selected category. Click on the required account and enter the opening balance. Opening balance for share accounts requires additional details. Select the category Share Account. The software will display all the share accounts defined in the system. Select the required share account, and the software will open the share opening entry form. Select the demat account and enter the required details such as purchase date, number of shares, NOS, and purchase rate. You can add multiple entries with different purchase dates, quantity, NOS, and rates for the same share. For bonus shares or split shares, enter the rate as 0 and mention bonus or split in the remarks field. Opening balance of mutual funds and fixed deposits also requires additional details while entering the opening balance. Opening balance for mutual fund accounts. To add the opening balance for mutual funds, select the category Mutual Fund from the list. The software will display all the mutual fund accounts defined in the system. Select the required account, and the software will open the mutual fund opening entry form. Select the folio and scheme, and enter the purchase details such as purchase date, NAV, and number of units. You can add multiple purchase entries for the same scheme with different purchase dates, NAV, and units. Opening balance for fixed deposit accounts, select the fixed deposit account category. Software will display fixed deposit accounts. Select the account from the list. Add the FD no, FD date, principal amount, interest frequency, interest amount, accrued interest, and maturity date. Based on interest frequency, software will create alert for the interest due and maturity due date. Define expense budget. Go to Master. Define budget. Select the expense account. Enter the budget period, budget amount, and budget alert warning, %. The system will alert you when the expense reaches the defined warning percentage of the budget.